Good morning, my dear students. Hope all of you are keeping well. Welcome to my class. Today we are going to do lesson 14 in class 1B. This is Shobhini and Nani go to the Mela. I think all of you know what is a Mela or what is a fair. Mela means fair. You can see here some pictures of fair. It is written here a fun fair. Okay, so you can see these are pictures of Mela. Okay, so the name of the lesson is Shobhini and Nani go to the Mela. All right. Here I am showing you some different pictures of fair or Mela. You can see here. These are some of the rides in the fair in the Mela. You see here, this is another picture. This is also a picture of a fair or a mela, you can see. Okay, so let us come back to the lesson. All right, getting started. What do you do when you get bored at home? Now you all are at home, you are getting bored at home. So what do you do? Have you ever been to a fair? Fair that is Mela before I think in the month of December we had a fair here in our own town Rampurhat. We also had a fair, isn't it? So I hope that all of you have been to that fair. What do you think happens there? What are the things happens there? What do you see there? How do you feel? How do you enjoy? Isn't it? So let us start this lesson. It was a holiday. So what day it was? It was a holiday. Shobhini was getting bored at home. Shobhini, here we come to know that Shobhini is a little girl. Okay, so she was getting bored at home. Maybe she did not have any work, it was a holiday, so shall we go to the fair? She asked Nani. You know who is Nani? Nani is her grandmother. So she asked her Nani that shall we go to the fair? Nani and Shobhini love to spend time with each other. See, Nani and Shobhini, they both loved each other. They love to spend time with each other. They got ready and left for the fair. So you see, they got ready, they dressed up nicely, and they left for the fair. From a distance, they could see the big giant wheel. It turned slowly and then faster and faster. So now they were walking towards the fair. From far distance, from a distance, little far, they could see the big giant wheel. I'm going to show you the picture of a big giant wheel. This is the picture of a big giant wheel you can see. Okay, from a distance, they could see the big giant wheel as they were going towards the fair. It turned slowly and then faster and faster. You can see. Okay. Shall we take a ride on the giant wheel? Shobhini asked Nani. What Shobhini asked her Nani grandmother that shall we take a ride on the giant wheel? She wanted to actually take a ride. Okay, so both of them she wanted. Okay, you can see I will show you some more pictures of giant wheel. You can see these are some pictures of big giant wheel you can see in this images. All these are big giant wheel. So, who asked Nani? Shobhini asked Nani that shall we take a ride on the giant wheel? Yes, let's sit on the wheel, replied Nani. So, both of them sat on the wheel. You see, this image is also of a giant wheel. You can see the giant wheel where it is. It is in the Mela or it is in the fair. You can see here in this picture, isn't it? The wheel began to move slowly, then it began to go faster and faster. When it starts, it will be a little slow. After that, it will be faster and faster. Shobhini closed her eyes tightly because why? She was scared. Maybe for that time being. She was not really scared, means she was not afraid, but felt better when she held on to Nani's hand. But when she held on to Nani's hand, she holded her hand, Nani's hand. She felt better. Who felt better? Shobhini felt better. She could open her eyes a little from time to time to see where they were. Who would open her eyes a little from time to time? Shobhini. would open her eyes a little from time to time to see where they were, means at which position they were. Okay, Shobhini saw that Nani did not shut her eyes because see, she was a grandmother. She was not scared at all. Shobhini was also not scared, but she felt better when she held on to Nani's hand. Okay, she was laughing and waving at the people below. Who was laughing and waving at the people below? Nani was laughing and waving at the people below. When the ride was over, Shobhini and Nani walked around in the fairground. When their ride in the big giant wheel was over, they were roaming around in the fair. From here to there, they were seeing the fair. Okay, Shobhini bought a little horn. Now I will show you what is the horn. You can see in this picture that this is a horn. All right. Shobhini bought a little horn. She tooted so hard that the dog jumped up and ran away. She blew it. Okay, so hard that a dog, what happened? A dog jumped up and the dog ran away. Nani bought her a gas balloon also. Okay, one more picture I will show you of a horn. You can see this picture is also of a horn. You can see, all right. After that, what happened? Nani brought her a gas balloon. Only one balloon. Here, I am showing you the picture of so many balloons. But Nani bought her a gas balloon. Okay. When they reached home, Shobhini tied a small paper basket to the balloon and put some seeds in the basket. What Shobhini did when they reached home? She tied a small paper basket to the balloon. Okay. That I will show you. You can see these are also pictures of gas balloons. You can see here these are the pictures of gas balloons, different colors of gas balloons. You can see when you go to the fair, you see balloons, so many kinds of different colors of balloons you see, isn't it? And how lovely it looks. You see the different colors of balloons: green, red, orange, blue, violet, yellow, pink, and how beautiful it looks. You will see, especially children, they love balloons. You all are small children and you all love balloons, isn't it? So, when they reached home, what Shobhini did, she tied a small paper basket to the balloon. A small paper basket she tied, you can see here, to the balloon and put some seeds in the basket. And in the basket, she put some seeds. Then she let go of the string. Then what she did, she left the balloon because say this is a gas balloon, it will float high, it will go high up in the air, in the sky it will go. Then she let go of the string, the balloon floated high above the house, beyond the field, past the fair, and went off far far away. So she left the string of the balloon and she let it go, and the balloon floated high above the house. It went very far. You can see in the picture that it floated. Okay, and it went very far away from the house, beyond the field, above the house, beyond the field. Okay, slowly it went past the fair and went off far far away. There you cannot again see the balloon. It went very very far away. Okay, so this was the story of Shobhini and her Nani. Okay, go to the Mela. Both of them, they went to the Mela. Okay, this is a small story, very nice story. It is written by Sarvendra Vikram, translated by Rukmini Banerjee. Okay, a very nice story, and I hope all of you enjoyed the story, isn't it? Because every child loves going to the fair or going to the Mela. Everyone likes going to the fair or going to the Mela, isn't it? I hope when you go to the Mela or when you go to the fair, you really enjoy. You see the surroundings, all are shouting, jumping, going on different rides. So many things. They eat different types of food. So many things are available in the Mela, isn't it? I hope you enjoy the fair or the Mela when you go there and you enjoyed this story also. Thank you.